All right, in this video, I am going to show you how I make my crispy, healthy, panko oven-baked chicken drumsticks. Okay, so I have 5 drumsticks in here. I have breadcrumbs in here. So I usually do all panko, but I ran out, so I did half panko and half Italian style breadcrumbs. It'll be fine. But usually I do all panko. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in Parmesan cheese. I'm going to mix that in with the breadcrumbs. And I have gloves on, so obviously I'm going to be working with raw chicken. So I'm just putting the Parmesan in with the breadcrumbs. And then in here I have plain yogurt. So I usually buy Greek yogurt just because I like it. So this is the Fage 0% Greek yogurt. It's really thick, so it's hard to coat things in it. So what I usually do is I take some lemon, and I like the flavor anyway, so I'm gonna zest and squirt some lemon juice in with the yogurt, and that will help thin it out. And then we're gonna dip the chicken in the yogurt and then the breadcrumbs and bake it. And that's it. It's really easy. It comes out really crispy, juicy, and really delicious. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to zest my lemon inside my bowl here with the yogurt. Now putting in about 2 tablespoons. It's about half of the lemon zested. And then I'm going to cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the pan. If you squeeze it cut side up, then you'll catch all the seeds inside the lemon. Just do that, and then after I said that, I got some in here. That's fine. We'll just get them out. Okay. Then I'm going to take my spoon and just mix it up. Okay, and then I season as I go, and I season every step. So I'm going to put some salt in here and a little extra in with the breadcrumbs, and then a little with the chicken. And then in the breadcrumbs, I'm going to add just onion powder. This is I really like these spices, the Spice Island. They're really good. You can... and some black pepper, and then parsley. Okay, and I only added just some salt in the chicken and then parsley. I didn't add onion powder or pepper because I'm going to use my Cajun seasoning. This is a Cajun seasoning that I made at home, but you can just buy Cajun seasoning. I'll put down in the description how I make my seasoning, though. It's really good. And I just put it in this container that I got from Williams-Sonoma a long time ago. There was a spice in there, and I finished it up, so I just kept the containers. They're really nice. So I'm just going to put that all in the chicken. Okay, and then I want to show you the pan that I have here. So I have just a sheet pan, and then I lined it with aluminum foil, and then I have this wire rack that I put on top. This is really important because it's going to help get the chicken crispy all around. So the airflow, goes under the wire rack and all over it, versus just putting it on the pan. The bottom's going to get kind of mushy, and you don't really want that. So I have this wire rack. You can get them, they're really cheap. You can get them for like 12 bucks. And just put it on here, and then I sprayed it with cooking spray so it doesn't stick. So now what we're going to do is we're going to mix up the chicken And then we're gonna dip it in with the yogurt and the panko and then put it on the baking dish. Want to get it really nice and covered with the yogurt, but you don't want to put too much because you don't want it to be gloopy. And then just put it into the breadcrumbs. Want to coat it really good. And then put it right on the wire rack. Again, another chicken. Dip it in the yogurt. And then in the breadcrumbs. Now I have all of the chicken on my pan, and what I'm going to do is put them in the oven at 425. All right, there's the chicken. I just took it out of the oven and I just put a little bit of olive oil on top. I baked it for exactly 35 minutes and it came out like this. Golden, crispy. It's going to be really juicy inside. Just let it sit for a few minutes before you eat it. And it's going to be really, really good. There's going to be a lot of flavor from that Cajun seasoning, and the yogurt really helps it stay moist and juicy inside. So I hope you try it. Thanks for watching.